I'm gonna move, Auden. I'm gonna move. Or are you just gonna stick there, wagging your tail?
Did she let the killer into the house that night? What do you think he's doing? Well, he's dug his grave now, pushing into it. What's her motive? What does she gain from all these motives?
We've looked at her. Financially, she had nothing to gain. There were no romantic relationships either. No grudges, no scores to settle.
And she was locked out of the house. The PC that found her had to break in.
What are you staring at, buddy?
The shop girl was overlooked in the original investigation.
What?
Do not make the same mistake again. Especially since there was another foul massacre a mere 12 days later. So you need to hurry.
You're taking the history to literally
Auden.
identical. This isn't another copycat. There's no need to scare them.
What are you gonna fall out?
1969 says his fatty disciples to kill for him. Spotted that too. Multiple victim serial murder is rare, but when it happens, it is a bloodbath. The killer is striking.
What's up, baby?
Have I done something wrong? Well, surely you can see the sense in what I'm saying. I mean, isn't this why I'm here?
Auden, what are you doing?
I learn and respect. I'm making tough decisions and taking risks. You're one of those risks. But if I'm undermined, if I'm second-guessed in front of them, I lose all of that.
I meant to cause no embarrassment.
If you have any information, like, for example, an historical precedent of a second murder, you tell me first.
Yes, Joe. So? You having second thoughts now? The minute you gave him a laminated ID, you created a monster.
He's settling in, that's all. Speed bumps.
He's out of the box now.
He's under control. Won't happen again. I want you to look at the footage and tell us if you recognise the man with the limp.
I don't know him.
You sure? Look again, properly. This is important.
What's the point? If I don't know him, I don't know him.
The man in the CCTV may have murdered everyone you worked with. Don't you want to help?
I don't know any criminals, alright?
Well done.
Can see your
Well
best
done, little man.
This place really is a fortress. Still many echoes. Scary.
That killer knocked and then sold from here. All the locks in the world wouldn't help if you invited your killer in.
That's like vampires. You have to invite them in, and then they bleed you dry. This place is going to need new floors.
It's a shame. Something's been recently restored.
Carpenter's been working here.
Hammers. Hammers. Mr. Driscoll.
Go on, jump it.
Yeah, John.
And dear Smiles. Yeah?
I'd like to ask you a few questions about Betty Salter.
Oh, God, it's shocking. I can't believe that. It's awful, even for around here. When did
Come on,
last
you
see
can do it. Jump up.
her?
Jump up.
Yeah, I was there in the morning. I just can't get my head around it.
Did you notice
Go on,
anything unusual about
baby.
No,
Come on.
no. I was working on the stairs. No, everything seemed fine. Where were you that night? I was at home. Anyone who could vouch for that? No.
You can do it. Come
Mind
on.
if we examine some of your tools?
Yeah, of course. Which ones? The hammers. Oh. Because the killing. Oh. Huh. Can't exactly work with all my tools. I'll return them to you as soon as we possibly can. But what's something? Where's the Salter wanted the whole place doing with traditional materials and techniques. And
Come on, Auden.
on security on window locks and alarms, even though they weren't in keeping.
Why would he do that?
Because he was scared.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, jump up. Jump up.
So who Ben Salter was afraid of? Last year he had to go to court. He was summoned as a witness to a mugging of a kid by a local gang. Now 6 of the gang members were found guilty and sent to young offenders. The leader of the gang was known as Wilkie. Now he served
Come on,
his sentence
sweetie,
and
you
returned
can
home to find
do
that his
it.
turf had been taken over by a rival gang.
You
Was
can
forced out
do
of the
it.
area.
He has motive, revenge, and a history of violence.
Oh, baby.
That's a school trip to Heath Castle, and that's Georgie sitting next to Wilkie.
Wilkie has a grudge. Georgie lets him in. Good work. Let's find Wilkie.
You'll never let me forget Will. Because of my history, every time there's a crime, you look me up.
Oh, come on, you can do
I
it.
keep answering for what happened years ago.
Statistically, you're likely to reoffend. Georgie's fox.
What about her?
Good friend, is she?
She's a dark-sided bitch. I haven't seen her since school.
She worked with Ben Salter, Stuart Middleton, Auden Harris, Archie King.
Come on. Come on.
No, I won't let you put my name on there.
You were angry at Ben
Do
Salter.
it, come on.
You put an end to your gang, your little empire. You were forced out of Whitechapel to the arse end of London and you wanted revenge. So you got Georgie Fox to let you in so you could kill him all.
I don't hate Ben Salter, I owe him everything!
Come on, sweetie.
Tell me what you mean. I should be dead by now. All the men in my family died on the streets. No one ever made it to 21. I thought that was my destiny, so that's the way that I live my life. I moved away. Job, met a girl. And now,
Come on, you can jump it.
it's my birthday last week. 22. Ben Salter wasn't afraid to stand up to me in court. He saved my life.
Come on, you can jump
Made
it.
redemption.
Come on.
Yeah. Anyone can change their life for the better. Just not criminals.
Ed,
Thank you for coming. Found something?
A warning from history.
Jump it.
You've just arrested Ben Wilkie.
Jump it.
An innocent man hanging himself because of the right
Jump it.
You sure?
Jump it then.
Arrested John Williams because he knew Timothy Marr and he was seen at the Williamsons' house on the night of the second murder.
Go on.
Had no money before the murder and had some
Jump it.
Strong circumstantial evidence.
But he was open about visiting the Williamsons that night and had pawn tickets to account for the money. His connection to the Mars was tenuous at best.
Jump up. Go on.
Read the file.
John Williams committed suicide.
Audi.
Please, Joe. Don't let history repeat itself.
Come on, Audi. You can jump it. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Audi.
The kids would sleep with them tonight. They're scared of the killer radio. What are you, Alison? Not in town?
Oh, no, I'm staying in. My flatmates are out.
when you're right, focus on the lights out.
Night, night.
Again. Jump up. You know you can jump up.
Oh, I'm sorry, I can't. Judy, Second one list.
You okay?
Absolutely.
Go on, Jordy. Go on, baby, you can do it. Jump it.
Can I do anything, sir?
Jump up.
I don't mind. Everything all right?
Local people are saying that the kid is some kind of evil spirit. Jinn
I
or
wanna
whatever,
give up.
that can create itself out of darkness.
You can't be irrational. You can't start thinking superstitiously.
You know you're cute when you do that. Yeah.
Come with me. Something I want to show you.
If you try one jump, I'll take it off.
The Ratcliffe Highway murders was buried after he committed suicide in prison. He was buried here at a crossroads, so that if his
Come on.
tortured spirit emerged, it would be confused and not know
Come
where to
on.
go. He dumped his body in a
I
small
know, but if you do one jump, then Mummy take it off you. Mummy promise.
his heart, prevented
Go on then.
his soul from wandering.
Come on then.
They thought they captured a bogeyman.
Tom Williams wasn't a bogeyman. May have been innocent. Circumstantial evidence. An hysterical public. Terrible fear. They made a mistake.
Come on, sweetie.
We can't afford to be wrong about Wilkie.
So Wilkie finished his shift at the kebab shop and went to wait for the N55 wrong.
That bus would take him down the highway and past Ben Salters and around Midland.
Yeah, but no skip. The bus was late. He still waited at the time of the murders.
Fast asleep.
Can I get one of these, please? Cheers.
Do one jump. Do one jump. Can you jump for me?
Lizzie Pepper, hi.
Diageo.
I'm DS Miles.
I couldn't find any blood traces at all, so then I ran tests.
Go on, baby, one jump.